tough test as you just seen, and we went pretty hard, and it was amazing. We've opened up inside the van, mate. The pillows, nothing. You wouldn't even think that it's actually gone through the track.
And that was a pretty grueling track, wasn't it?
Oh, that was it. There was a lot of hard humps in it, and yeah,
That was
it was very grueling. You wouldn't be normally doing that to your van at that sort of speed.
No.
But
That
mate,
really,
the inside the van's just amazing.
That's really
Nothing's moved. The fridge hasn't opened. Nothing. It's
it passed the test, that's for
definitely
sure.
passed the test.
Awesome.
It was
Would you do it again?
Yeah, we can go right now.
Let's go.